What's happening right now with Mullen Automotive?
Let's see what's going on. Let's take a look at these last two gaps to the downside. Very dramatic. We are talking about 5% movements to the downside. These gaps, very dramatic, but we could expect something like this based on the past technical analysis. We can clearly see right here all the consecutive breakouts that we mentioned in previous videos. And also we have some fundamentals news that we're going to comment right now that could explain this situation.
Okay, so very interesting article. Why by Investors Place they have here the five meme stocks to sell before they die, and one of them, is Mullen Automotive. So they explain the current situation that we have right here, and the thing, is like they are struggling, with this funding death spiral with a lot of capital dilution. So at this particular point here, you can clearly see what's happening. The situation is not good because in the end they are not selling as expected. They are even delaying, the five crossover SAP in for 2025. So the situation is very difficult because they need to cash in, and they are not doing that right now.
Exactly, it's like investors keep putting their capital in the stock, but if they don't if they don't start to get that revenue or they don't release that things that they are talking about, obviously investors will get out of here or new investors won't be attracted, to buy this stock. And I think this is a situation that we are watching. We had right here, let me draw it like with a vertical line right here, the stock split that we had, the reverse one. We can see that from there the price had a movement to the upside from 127 to 160 more or less. But from there, as soon as we started to see those breakouts, people, I think, started to get out very, very fast. This last movement right here at 0.84 more or less, the 24th of May, was a bullish breakout, but you can clearly see that the price of $1 was the pivot level to reverse the price again in a very dramatic way. I think these last two gaps to the downside are very, worrisome.
Yeah, look at this downturn that we have here. It's absolutely insane. So at this particular point, we have another important news here is that they're gonna leave Mullen Automotive, the Russell 2000, the Russell 3000 indices. So at this particular point, this will add even more selling. Because in the end, that there are some funds that buy these indices, and if Mullen Automotive is not there, they have to sell those shares, especially ETFs. So at this particular point, we will even more, we will experience even more because this change is gonna start on, June 26th, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, at the end of this month. So we will keep updating this stock as usual. We are not bulls and we are not bears. We are just traders and we like to share with you the best opportunities in our opinion. So right now, personally, I won't be trading this stock because I don't think it will have a lot of movement to the upside, in my opinion. But also to the downside, we could see dramatic movements. So personally, I prefer to stay away from this, but let us know in the comments what are your thoughts, if you are investing, if you plan to invest in the near future, or what is your general opinion about this whole situation.
Thank you very much, guys. We have a video on the right for you, and remember to subscribe.
Thanks, have a nice week, take care, we love you.